Make money online. How to start an e-commerce business for beginners. How to avoid failure. Starting an e-commerce business can be both a rewarding and daunting experience for a new beginner. This video will help you to get started in this exciting journey. Just bear in mind, as with any other successful businesses, it takes time and effort to grow your business. However, if you use the right strategies and adopt a right mindset, you can be successful. If you are interested to know what you must do before quitting your job to start a business, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Please watch till the end for the bonus section. If you start an eComm business, you do not want to end in failure. According to a survey, eComm business failure rate is at 90% after 4 months. We will look into the top 10 reasons why eComm startup end in failure. These are valuable lessons learned. If you can avoid these mistakes, you can then truly sustain and thrive your business in the long run. Now, let's jump right into it. 13 critical steps to building a successful e-commerce business. While it is easier to set up an online store when compared to a physical store, it is not a quick rich scheme. Getting started with an online business can be a challenging task for a beginner. The following steps can help you get started in building your e-comm business. 1. Establish your business goals and objectives. What are your objectives for your online business? An example is driving profitable growth by expanding customer reach, reducing cost to serve, and creating differentiated customer experiences. To make your goal SMART, it needs to conform to the following criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and anchored within a time frame. 2. Choose the right products to sell. Not all products are suitable for online sale. Some products that are not allowed unless with special permits in some countries. Examples of such products are prescriptive drugs, guns, tobacco, or any illegal items. Make sure the things you chose are available for online purchase and that there is a demand for them. Here's the list of the most popular categories sold in Amazon: gift cards, electronics, cameras, and photography, video games, books, clothing, shoes, and jewelry, beauty and personal care, home and kitchen, pet supplies, sports, and outdoors. Also, conduct some research on your competition to make sure you have something to offer that they don't. 3. Develop an effective branding plan. Your company's brand is what distinguishes it from the competitors. It explains who you are, what you believe in, and why people should buy from you. Examples of strong brands are Apple, Nike, and Starbucks. Spend time and effort developing a strong branding approach that will appeal to your target market. 4. Create a revenue-generating website. Your business online face is your website. Customers go there to learn more about your products and services, as well as to make purchases. Make sure your website is visually appealing, user-friendly, and SEO-friendly. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It refers to techniques that help your website rank higher in search engine results pages, resulting to more targeted organic traffic from search engines to your website. Do not worry if you do not know how to create a website. There are many economical eComm website builders who can craft an aesthetic e-store for your business in no time. I will leave them down in the description box below. Before we move on, I'd like to have a quick shout out to the next new video release. We will be featuring 3 successful e-commerce business case stories, their respective milestones, journey, success factors, and lessons learned. If you are interested and willing to show your support to this new channel, please spare a little time to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This way you will be alerted when it is available and will also really motivate us to provide more useful content. Thank you. Let's get back now to the next point. 5. Set up an e-commerce platform. You want to choose an eComm platform with a good user experience for you and your customers. You should be able to set up your online storefront with little to no programming experience. And once the store is online, it should be easy for customers to navigate and search for products. A good platform should also be safe to use and reliable. Examples of some popular eComm platforms are Amazon, Shopify, Magento, Lazada, ShopPay. 6. Create product descriptions that sell. Consider yourself a customer while writing product descriptions. What exactly are they looking for? Make a point of emphasizing the major features and benefits of each product in your inventory. In the example here, Everlane sells high-end, eco-conscious fashion and accessories for men and women. Their product descriptions match their style, sassy, yet classy. The day heel retails for $145 online. You can see the product description talking about the leather and suede, 100% Italian leather, ballet-inspired silhouette and elasticized back for extra comfort. Considering these heels are at a higher price point than your average heels, the product description reflects that in its language. 7. Make use of visuals to promote products. Online shopping relies heavily on images. They can help customers in learning more about your products and increasing sales conversions. Make sure you're using high-resolution images that showcase your products to their full potential. 8. Set up a payment method. You'll need to set up a payment system in order to process payments. There are a variety of options available when you search in Google, so pick one that best suits your requirements and budget. Make sure you use a secure and dependable system. 9. Plan out your shipment strategy. There are numerous factors to consider when shipping products, including cost and delivery times. Create a delivery strategy that suits both your customers and your business demands. Examples of a delivery strategy include fast delivery or free shipping. 10. Create a digital marketing campaign. If people don't know you exist, they can't shop in your online store. And for most of the people who start an online venture, the investment in marketing and search engine visibility is not as robust as it should be. Email marketing is a powerful tool for reaching out to potential and existing customers and promoting your goods and services. Create a campaign that is both relevant and valuable to your target customer base. This is essential to do especially during the first initial weeks of startup since consumer trust and loyalty hasn't yet been established. Just be realistic and bear in mind that the growth doesn't happen overnight. Refer to description box below on our picks to adopt a strategic approach to digital marketing. 11. Make use of social media to advertise your business. Social media networks are an excellent way to communicate with potential customers and strengthen existing relationships. Create compelling content and target the correct demographics to make sure you're getting the most out of social media. Utilize field traffic like Instagram, YouTube or TikTok to drive traffic to your site. 12. Keep track of your results and adjust as needed. It's crucial to keep testing and tracking your marketing outcomes so you can evaluate what's working and what isn't. Measure website traffic, email opens, and social media interaction with analytics tools. Then, as needed, adjust to improve your outcomes. 13. Continue to learn and grow. Because the online scene is always evolving, it's critical to stay on top of the latest trends and developments. Keep up with the latest technologies and strategies that can help you expand your business. Bonus section: Top 10 Reasons Why E-Commerce Startups End Up in Failure. Now that you are aware of the steps on building your e-com business, it is also important to understand and know the reasons why most startups ended up in failure so you can avoid making those costly mistakes. According to a survey by Marketing Signals, e-com business failure rate stands at 90% after almost 4 months. It used the data from a survey carried out with 1,253 owners of failed startups in the UK for the report. Here's the top 10 reasons why e-commerce startups end in failure. More than 2/3 of the respondents, or 37%, failed because they couldn't compete or deliver online marketing. Almost the same number, or 35%, suffered the same fate because of lack of online visibility. The rest include running out of cash, price and costing issues, got outcompeted, retail giants dominating a large share of the market, lack customer service, poor team around them and product mistiming. Unlike a physical store on the street which can get foot traffic by its mere presence, the same can't be said for an online store. Without a targeted and strategic approach to digital marketing, only your friends and family are going to know the address of your online site. We have reached the end of this video. I hope you have found some useful information here. Please have patience and be realistic that building a business to achieve success takes time. If you put in the effort, execute the right strategies and avoid costly mistakes, you can be successful. Do watch out for the next video release featuring 3 successful e-commerce business case stories. It unveils their respective milestones, journey, success factors and lessons learned. Please like and subscribe as it will definitely help us a lot. All resource tools mentioned in this video are available in the description box below. Thank you and see you in the next video.